Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here with another kit, printable kit from Decorate Your Life. And this one is so cute, y'all. Sorry about that. I'm looking for something. There we go. That I just had to show you guys. And let me tell you, the ideas that's running through my head for this kit, y'all will not believe. So, we're going to start. It has 7 pages. Okay. This is available both in printable form and digital copy. So, you can purchase this in her shop. And I can't wait to show y'all what it looks like, y'all. The first page is this one. It's got a mushroom here. This little card is what I'm after with the 2 gnomes in it. And a hot air balloon. So we'll see what I do with these 2 items in this kit soon. Here you got this beautiful little cloud that has a face and is sleepy. Now y'all may see this printed twice because I did print it twice. This little house here, you can see the background is all printed with floral. And then you have the sun. You got hearts over here. You got a tiny little gnome here. Oh, this one has daisies in the background with a textured background. Okay. And next, we have this background that is right here. Okay. So, I want to do something with this background, but I don't know what yet. Okay. So now we have a complete sheet of little gnomes with a textured background with florals on it. And each little gnome has its own plant. Okay. Then we have this one. Ooh. We have a boot over here. Now these little gnome here is making garden. Ooh. A garden gnome. Here's another one with textured backgrounds, and you got all the little parts, almost all the little pieces that I will be working with. This is printed twice. This is one of the backgrounds that has the floral and a background with a yellow background. As y'all can see, here we go again. It's all repeat from here on in, y'all. So, this is called Summer Days, and it has 7 pages to the printable. Y'all can get it at decorateyourlife.com. That's DECOR, the number 8, yourlife.com. And you can also check out her store where she is selling things that she has made. Okay? She makes beaded pens. She has traveler's notebooks and much, much more. So if you check out her shop, I will link this down below in the description box. And we will see in the next video what I make. Okay? Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be positive, be blessed, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.